Hi, I'm Jody Wetherill, Brand Marketing Manager for Archadeck. Our clients often tell us how impressed they are with their Archadeck design and build experience. And after we thank them, we tell them it's our process that makes the Archadeck difference. For starters, it all begins with scheduling your free design consultation with your local Archadeck office. Scheduling a consultation is easy. Call us or complete a request form on our website, and a representative from your local Archadeck office will be in touch right away to gather preliminary information on your project, make sure you're comfortable with our process, and schedule a time to meet. From your first interaction with Archadeck, we want it to be clear this is all about you. During your no-obligation consultation, your Archadeck representative will review your property with you and talk about your project. They'll conduct a comprehensive needs analysis to help identify exactly what you're looking for and share some ideas of our past designs to help spark your imagination and your visualization of what we can achieve for you. Then, once we have a clear picture of what you're looking for, you can choose to move forward in one of two ways. Archadeck can either draw up a custom plan using three-dimensional drawings to illustrate your proposed structure from a variety of angles. We'll work together to refine that custom plan to your satisfaction prior to breaking ground on your project. Or for simpler projects, you can choose from one of our existing Lifestyle Classics designs or one of our two-dimensional plan drawings. Either way, you'll receive an exact price quote and a detailed contract and specification sheet before construction begins. With our quality-focused job progress methodology, your project should progress smoothly and on schedule, barring any weather or material availability delays. Your Archadeck team will do it all, from securing any necessary permits to cleaning up the construction debris. And your all-important final walkthrough lets you point out any issues that we can address to your complete satisfaction. And last but not least, there's no doubt about it. Your Archadeck built project will provide years of enjoyment. Our warranties guarantee it. We look forward to working together to make your outdoor project dream a reality.